All right, we got a Flash Assailant. Look at that quality. Let's see. Don't look. PSA 9 Mint. Got a Mystic Plasma Zone. That's a good pull. We got a Steel Auger Grotto. Number 3. We got a Red Archery Girl. And let's go, guys. Let's get a relinquished pull. A relinquished pull. Oh, I thought that was golden text. We got a Flying Kamikiri number 1, boys. Pretty legit. I'll use this in my insect deck. We have a Darkness Approaches. This is a Feels Bad Man. Indeed. Really sucks. How does that make sense? You could have a face-down attack position monster. Oh, nice. An Eat Gaboon. Another classic. Very good. We got a Penguin Knight. Another classic. Look, boys. 001 Shadow Ruler. First card. And the Tailor of the Fickle. Very good. That's $15 down the drain. That's good.